If you've got a scratch on your brushed watch, grab a refinishing pad. As you can see, the owner of this watch has put the clasp through its paces. It's picked up some small desk diving marks and a couple of good bangs that are ruining the grain. I will be honest, the marks are quite deep, so I don't expect them to be gone completely. Let's start with the most important step, preparation. Always start with a clean watch. Any dirt or grit trapped between the pad and the metal can cause deeper, unwanted scratches. I also recommend masking off any polished areas nearby with a little bit of low tack or painter's tape. I've opened up the dive extension and taped off everything around the clasp to keep it safe. When you're feeling ready, hold the pad firmly and using moderate, even pressure, pull the pad in one long, straight stroke. It's vital that you don't scrub back and forth and never go in circles. Be sure to keep checking your progress. Stop, wipe any dust and check your work. Another option is to lay the pad down first and then to brush the watch or clasp in this case over the pad itself. This can work really well depending on the shape of the watch or the clasp you're using. But again, you just need to maintain that consistent pressure and go all the way from one side to the other. Don't stop halfway, don't rub back and forth, rub all the way through. As you can see on this Seamaster, the pad hasn't removed the scratch entirely. Deep gashes like this one had will always remain, but it has reduced it visually to a point I'm happy with, and I'm sure the owner will be happy too. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. Check out our watch workshop for more watch care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.